সাথে সাথে ওনার রুমে চলে যান, একদম ক্লোজে। Hi young man, how are you? Om, which called Hindu religion. Om means the sound of universe creating, and this line is the circle of human life, and three dot is meaning particular Hindu religious vital fundamental functions which can improve your emotion, improve your all of next problem that can you face. It could be save your life when you gain it in your hand. So guys, if you like tattoo, please contact with me. I will suggest and আমি তোমাকে give you a marvelous tattoo for the reason of my experience and your choice. Make a friendship with me. I will give you a spectacular design which is now. So guys, I am the happiest person around the world because of I like my job. I continue my job with faith, and all of my clients are very smart. They are very happy to build a relationship with me. So subscribe my channel and then we will meet another day. Thank you. Till then, happy.